Thank you for joining us at xm.com for today's Daily Market Comment by Raf Boyajian. I'm Christina Marujos. The US dollar slid and the 10-year Treasury yield held near 3-week lows as Fed Chair Jerome Powell went out of his way to dampen fears of preemptive action to stem rising inflation. Powell reiterated on Wednesday that the Fed would only begin winding down its asset purchases when it's made substantial progress towards its goals, and signaled that tapering would happen well before they start considering raising interest rates. Treasury yields edged lower after Powell's remarks, with a 10-year yield falling towards 1.61%. The fast improving economic backdrop is limiting how far Treasury yields can pull back. However, the ongoing risks to the positive outlook are also supporting safe haven bonds, as the setbacks with the AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson vaccines have shown that there's still plenty that can go wrong. Powell's ultra-dovish stance weighed heavily on the greenback. The dollar index plumbed a fresh 4-week low today, lifting its rivals. The improved risk tone further dented demand for the dollar as well as for the yen, though some of the overnight moves had started to reverse by the European Open. The euro and pound both turned flat. However, the Australian and New Zealand dollars extended their gains today. The Aussie was additionally boosted by robust jobs numbers, which showed Australian employment surpassed pre-pandemic levels in March. The U.S. labor market will come into focus later today when the latest initial jobless claims figures are published. Retail sales data will also be eyed. Stronger than expected numbers might help the dollar stabilize, even if they're not able to reverse the latest declines. In equity markets, the S&P 500 slipped back from fresh record highs to close 0.4% lower on Wednesday. Stellar earnings from Wall Street's big banks were unable to offset a bit of a sell-off in tech stocks, which pulled the Nasdaq Composite down 1%. Only the Dow Jones was able to finish the day in positive territory, but futures were pointing to a stronger open for Thursday. Bank earnings will continue today, with Bank of America and Citigroup reporting before the market open. Delta Airlines will also be under the spotlight for clues on how well the airline and travel industries are recovering in 2021. This was the Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching at xm.com.